Good day, parents and children. This is Beth Siebert, Indian River County fluid artist, and we did this painting together yesterday. Remember, this was the dirty cup flip, dirty. I can't even say it. It's the dirty flip cup pour. I'm awful at speaking on this, and we talked about our primary colors, which are blue, red, and yellow. And I said we'd get some purples out of it, which we did. And we got some green out of it, which is fantastic. And a little bit of orange up in here. I think this is orangish gold. But anyways, before we poured onto our canvas, we went ahead and we put painter's tape on the back. Remember, we did these tacks. I'm going to pull the tack out and show you how easy these are. See, the tacks just come out. It's not a big deal, parents. Keep these away from the kids. And remember, we're going to go ahead and do a heat gun. We're not going to touch these. And the painter's tape comes off pretty readily. I'm watching to make certain I'm in camera today, because I know that the last two videos I did 2 in a row, were out of camera. So you're just basically pulling the painter's tape off. It's not going to be totally clean on the back, but it's going to be a lot cleaner than it would normally be. So it looks fantastic. And that's basically how you do it. See, you've got a little paint up in here. Then you have your child come and just, I think I want to orient it. They're abstract, so you can really orient them any way you want. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to orient mine that way. It really doesn't matter. And you get these craft pens. These are also readily available online at Michael's, and I believe you can order them on Amazon. And you just have your child sign, cursive, please, parents. I mean, really, teach them the secret language of cursive. Because, you know, our kids need to know that. And then just sign that. And then put that away, and you will take it outside, and you're going to spray it. Hold on, I'll get it. Not completely organized today. You're going to take it outside only, and you're going to spray it with Grumbrocker's varnish. Okay, this is for acrylic paint. So you just take it outside and spray it down. You know, keep it away from the kids. You don't want the kids breathing this in. You don't want to breathe it in. Hold your breath when you spray it. It's a small canvas. But let the signature dry first. So that's the first one that we went ahead and did yesterday. And I'm going to go ahead and show you this week's, because sometimes we come across things like this one. See, this is over here, this particular tack has some wet paint on it. So I want to wipe that down first and pull it off. See, it's that easy. I thought I was going to have to get pliers at first. That's not wet. Pull. Just go through here and just pull them off. Not a big deal. Just keep them away from the kids. You can have the kids peel the tape. That's fine. It's their art project. If you did one, then you peel yours right along with your child. I mean, this is good for adults to do too. Abstract art is for everybody. We all are artists somewhere in our soul. So just go ahead and peel that tape off. Turn it around, orient it. Yes, this was the one that we were going to do that was supposed to look like the ocean. Kind of, sort of, maybe not. I don't know. But this was a swipe with the paper towel we did. Now this stuff on the side over here that you see, I'm not liking it so much, so I'll probably peel that a little bit off. But we're going to go ahead and sign. Let's see, I'll sign my little John Hancock down here in cursive with my craft pen. And then we're going to let that dry. Then I'll take it outside and I'll spray it with the varnish. You can do other varnishes. This is not, Grumbacher is not the only varnish and not your only choice. It is just the easiest for the beginner. But this, I thought would be a lot of fun for you guys to try. And I will videotape one tomorrow. Sorry for the background. I do a lot bigger pieces over there, and so it doesn't tend to always look so nice. So anyways, that is how you untack, sign, and varnish your paintings. Hope you have a wonderful day. This is Beth Siebert. Enjoy the homeschooling with the kids. They grow up so fast, trust me. I know it seems like a pain right now, but the kids are wonderful. And soon they're going to be out of, adults and not want anything to do with you. So love them while you can. I will wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay home, and God bless. Have a good day.